All right, this guy right here is for these guys. So if you went ahead and got yourself one of these fancy pulse width modulated C6, C7, this is a Cadillac XLR, it's all the same thing. You get everything you need to make this guy right here, which is this guy. You have two like heavy duty, so these are like 10-12 gauge boys. And then you have one, and these guys, two of the 10-12 gauge boys. And then you get the little guy and the little 16, 18 gauge, so you can put your pulse width modulated guy in. And yeah, real simple, easy to use. So if you're using that and you don't want to do a hack, you want the nice proper connector so you can easily, I say easily, I try to do this one-handed, it'll probably look like anything but easily. But yeah, I say easily pop this guy off. Then that's the kit that you'll need right there to do it with. Hope that helps you out.